Do you know you can create high quality AI voiceovers for free and unlimited on your computer locally, even without an expensive NVIDIA graphic card? The answer is yes, thanks to the new open source Qwen3 text to speech model. Suppose you have any doubts about the quality of the generated audio. For your information, the voiceover for this video is generated from Qwen3. It is competing with many paid tools. In this video, I will show you in a step-by-step way how to install and use it. So watch this video carefully till end. We will use an amazing beginner-friendly AI tool, Pinocchio, for this. This tool will install Qwen3 and other required stuff on your computer in just a few clicks. Go to pinocchio.co and hit the download button. Pick the operating system you're using and hit download. After the download, click the file to install. I already installed it, so I'm not doing it yet. Believe me, installation won't be a problem. After installation, open Pinocchio and go to the community section. Search for Qwen3 TTS here. You will find a few options here. If you're on a Mac, you can go for this option, which is optimized for macOS. I'm using Windows, so I will pick this featured one. Click install. It will ask for the folder where you want to download and install Qwen3. It will take some time to do all this, so while it is doing it, do not stop or disturb it. I already installed it, so I'm not doing it here. The first time it will open automatically. After that, you have to start Qwen3 by yourself in Pinocchio. Here's my installed Qwen3. Let's start it. When it is running, you will see this interface. Make it full screen for a better view. Here you can see 4 tabs. First, models to install and load models. Voice design to create customized voices by just prompting a description. Voice clone, as the name suggests, for cloning voice. And a custom voice where you can use pre-installed trained voices by Qwen3. Let's explore each of them one by one. First is the models. Here you have 3 sections. First, to download models. Second, to load models to the GPU. And third, to unload models from the GPU. Even if you don't download any model here, Qwen3 automatically download the required model when you generate voice. But it's always a good idea to do it in advance. For this, first choose the type of model. Custom voice for existing trained voices, base for cloning, and voice design for creating a customized voice. Then choose the size of the model. For custom voice and base, you have the option to choose between the lighter 0.6 billion model or the heavy 1.7 billion model. If you're using a low NPC, go with a lighter model. Click download. This will take some time. If it takes too long, say more than 10 minutes, refresh the browser because sometimes the model is downloaded but the status is not showing it. Next is to upload models to the GPU. Let's load this custom voice model. It's loaded. Let's add another model. Done. Remember, the more models you load, the more VRAM they will use, means crashes during generation. So it's better to unload models that are not needed for this move to the next section. Refresh the status to review all models and let's unload one model. It's gone. Setup is done. Time to generate audio. Open the Voice Design tab to create a customized voice. Here, as you can see, you can generate only up to 500 characters of audio. In the text to synthesize box, you give the text you want to generate, and in the voice description box, prompt the type of voice you want. Qwen3 is multilingual, which means besides English, you can generate audio in other languages too. I am selecting English as per my text. Let's generate. It will take some time depending on how powerful PC is. Here it is. Let's see.
It's in the top drawer! Wait, it's empty? No way, that's impossible! I'm sure I put it there!
Perfect. Change the description and generate again to see what happens.
It's in the top drawer. Wait, it's empty? No way, that's impossible! I'm sure I put it there.
It's not bad. Next, we clone a voice. Open the Voice Clone tab. Here at the top, you have a reference audio box where you upload the voice you want to clone. I'm loading one of my own audio. If your audio is long like mine, you can trim it like this. By the way, the ideal length of an audio reference sample is 10 to 30 seconds. Even the Qwen 3 can generate from 3 seconds of sample audio. Under the reference audio is the reference text box where you can enter the text of the sample audio or just click the transcribe button to create it automatically. This step is optional, but for better quality, it is recommended. If you don't want it anyway, just check the box of X vector only, but I'm unchecking it. Next is the target text box. Here, you enter the text of the audio you want to be cloned. Let's paste some text. For language, I select English. Unlike voice design, here we have an option to switch between two models. I go with the 1.7 billion parameter model. If you have a longer text to generate, Qwen 3 will divide it into chunks down there. You can set the character size of each chunk and the gap between chunks to preview. Reduce the chunk size and increase the gap to half of the second. Let's clone and generate. Generation time will depend on the length of the text and your machine. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and comment. Nice. Let's recreate another with a 50 chunk size. Listen to it. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and comment. This gap is because of the low chunk size. Now, lastly, generate audio from predefined voices in the custom voice tab like voice design. It also has a character limit of 500. At the top, you have the text to synthesize box where you will add the text for which you want an audio. Then you can choose the speaker. Let's select Eric. Now select the language under it. We have the style instruction box. If you're using the 1.7 billion model like me, you can use this box to instruct the tone of audio like speak in a cheerful and energetic tone. Let's generate now.
Hello! Welcome to the text-to-speech system. This is a demo of our TTS capabilities.
Quite funny but not bad. So this is it. Hope you like the video. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Also comment what